I been fucking up the streets, I really ain't been at home. Until they free my nigga, I'ma keep screaming free roam. A couple friends turned they back, but they be back when I'm on. I had to get out here and grind and get this shit on my own. I been fucking up the streets, I really ain't been at home. Until they free my nigga, I'ma keep screaming free roam. A couple friends turned they back, but they be back when I'm on. I had to get out here and grind and get this shit on my own. Ayy, real solid nigga in this shit to win. I had to put them bands up, cause I can't always spend. These niggas mad about a bitch, so I ain't got no friends. And when I run my money up, my mama get in the bin. Mama told me that these niggas ain't 100 for real. If I was jammed up, who would load up, who would kill? Learn how to move when I got out here up in the field. These niggas ain't sip more drink than I done spilled. I took L's by myself, I took them to the chin. I knew the niggas was gon' sink, I just ain't no win. So stop calling me your cuz, cause we is not kin. Free all my niggas doing 10 plus in the pen. She hit the wood, she think she on Pluto. Getting neck behind 10 while I'm in. I don't got no competition on the money making mission. All my niggas winning up the G Mama kitchen. Pay TT to wash the dishes, I just fucked up the mix. Hit to show you how to hit, it's gon' cost you like 100, but I bet you make a grip. Shout out my nigga Big B, he off Trey 6. Shout out my nigga Lil T, you know he keep a stick. Down for a little minute, had to get up off my ass. Used to go to school, make a couple hundred, skip class. I can show you little niggas how to get a bag. Remember on the high speed in Tulsa, Papa did the dive. Justin told me that I'm coming, that niggas some niggas wanna be me. Niggas dig riding, that's why they can't even see me. When y'all hear this shit. Make sure you put it on repeat. Got the game in my hands, now I just want the bands. Bitch said I'm playing mind games, but I don't understand. Every situation I got upper hand. Rhyme with my nigga Lenny and he dumping all the grams. You can't come up until you got a plan. Niggas ain't 100, really out here taking a stand. All these niggas main goal just to be the man, but fuck all that bullshit, I'm just trying to expand. Make a bitch think I want her, keep confusing her. Game tight and her brain tight, I'm not losing her. If she got that chicken, then I'm using her. Got no love for a hoe, I don't know why you choosing her. Good codeine, good red, yeah, straight drop. Papa Zan, now I'm feeling like I'm on top. Little bitch suck me up and she won't stop. I got too much fucking sauce, I bet I won't flop. All these niggas talk that crackin' shit, but on God's hand. Oh, you fighting a case shit, here we go again. All these niggas talk that crackin' shit, but on God 10. If this shit more than rap, go ahead, prove it then.
Bro, we gotta get away before we get addicted. I'm like, this on third shift. I just threw an arc back and now my head spinning. I could've brought 5 out and that's an understanding. Might flash 10 or something more and I'm not playing. And put 4 grams in your blunt, hoes gon' think you famous. But you just another nigga, you ain't back with baby. I swear y'all old and y'all jokes, y'all with the spoon. Sloppy rolls, I don't know shit about no sisters. Oh, you getting top down in the living room. I can't wait to go on tour, bro, it's coming soon. Little bitch, get your passport, I'm tryna travel. I don't match with niggas cause they shit unravel. How you fumble whole pack without being tackled? Stuff them grams in your pussy when they tryna wrestle. It can be a night shift or a day long. No matter what the fuck it is, I can't waste time. Just because I don't post sticks don't mean they not around. I'ma run this shit up. Shit up, ain't no running out. Somebody coming, some more drinking, I'ma buy him out. Vacuum seals everywhere, it is not a drought. And if you think I'm running out, you better buy me out.
The day down, we got pro meth with codeine. Run through the east, I just got a whole script of greens. Got the shit for dirt, cause I got them from my nigga fiend. Niggas don't be getting thrown for real, they be sipping green. Worried about my health, I really got some bad habits. If my friends really real, then they say that I'm an addict. In reality, I'm good, ain't got no problem, I can stack it. Niggas messing me on dick about some pills, niggas sacking. You little niggas ain't no shit, I don't care about who you know. When it come down to it, niggas pussy and they hoes still moving and grooving. I'm just going with the flow, used to dinner get taxed, now I get it for the low. Then get it cheap, niggas broke, that's elite. Every weekend I throw back a 30, get hit. Every weekend I hit your main bitch cause she sweet. And I hit her best friend, both them bitches really freaks. Like I'm a dentist. Little dog said he did something to me, boy, no you didn't. Please leave me alone, I'm just a young nigga living. Hey, I'm just a young nigga living. You got more to say, but we still gon' throw you a party. Got more chopper than the biker boys, I'm talking about Harley. Nigga wanna go against me, he gon' need him army. I'm a grave digger, part-time rapper, I'm gnarly. When the smoke clear, niggas ain't gon' be near. If it wasn't for all of the love, I wouldn't be here. Ain't too much that we fear. All these niggas do all of this capping, I can't see clear. Hey, bitch, I feel like Billy Ray Cyrus. I'm so sick as hell, I probably maybe got a virus. They always comment on what I do, cause they so biased. So many Glocks and chops, we finna start a crisis. Yeah, made the whole city throw. Yeah, bitch, that was up. Mama said ever since a youngin' I've been cutting up. Nigga disrespect me where I live, yeah, I had to bust. I'ma keep applying pressure to that nigga know what's up. Hey, please leave me alone, I'm just a young nigga living. Hey, I'm just a young nigga living. Church every Sunday, when I'm wrong I be repenting. Everything ain't what it seems, it really isn't. All up in your bitch mouth, like I'm a dentist. Lil' dog said he did something to me, boy, no you didn't.
Took that motherfucker.
Brothers, no bullshit. Fall shit, man, longevity shit too. Big pops, but they around the corner. Out here early in the morning like I'm Tom Joyner. Bitch said I'm doing this on purpose. Then the phone performer. All night at your door, come in like I'm Tom Warner. Nigga, this a slap-a-thon, you can't come and join us. Big sticks in the whip, we'd come and warn you. When 40 boys pull up deep, please don't make us warm you. Baby, cool out over here, I'm just trying to warm you. God know I'm slapping, he sent a pair of buffs down. Every time I re-up, it's a touchdown. Take out at Benny's when it's lunchtime. They coming down all at once, bitch, it's crunch time. This bitch coming down speedball, I want the whole nine. All this shit up in the whip, I'm down there facing none. I know these niggas lying, wrapped out to the truth in mind. All this action in the air, I'm just trying to fly. Line up so wild, the neighbor say it's reckless. Pull up, I'm knocking every head off the checklist. They be on some hating shit, bro, I think they jealous. So I keep one in the head just to keep them guessing.
Which one?
I thought you learned your lessons. Swipe a nigga pop, they ain't let me ask him too many questions. Hey mama, I been in some drama. I'm not with no broke nigga, I been fighting commas. My nigga said I'm the GOAT like I'm scared of llamas. All this money that I'm getting still come with problems. You probably owe $1, but you could keep it. You the type to steal from your mama. Get the bag, make it disappear. I'm Harry Potter, presidential suite with your bitch. I feel like Obama. I done told you all facts, tryna be honest. Passing out books to the neighbors, feel like Mr. Rogers. Some shit make me nervous. I got the whole block asleep, please no disturbance. Nigga dope, they don't call us good customer service. He was only slamming that day, I think Brody working. I'm so high, got me in the air shaking turbulence. Fuck that bitch, gave her a little something, I think Brody burning. Nigga, no offense, but did I hear a nigga that can't pay his rent say some shit? You was slamming day for day, but fumbled by a bitch. Won't even go right for right with you, cause you ain't worth shit. Yeah, I'm on that now. You gon' have to pour some water on me, still don't calm me down. Nigga pulled up, thought it was sweet, he got fanned down. Damn, now it's a man down. Y'all even huddled up, it didn't work, but what's the plan now? That little bitch switched from green to perk, she on the Zans now. Backed up, the neighbors hate it, but it's so exciting. It ain't nobody on the block doing nothing like me. Bitch fucking niggas for revenge, or you playing trifling. You the type, I'll never make you my wifey. You ever had your own nigga snake you off of phones? Take the L and then build some more ball on your own. Yeah, I really got some muscle. Made myself a boss, I'll teach some niggas how to hustle. 3 different phones getting tossed around like I'm playing juggle. In the car, I needed stuff. On the plane, think I need a smuggler. Out here with my brothers, you slamming like there's no other. Sometimes we just switch up, fucking cause we love each other. Continue doing numbers. After the club, you can live with me, but this is not a slumber. She asked why, cause I be backed up like a plumber. It feel good to serve the whole Milwaukee, man, I love the summer. bitch. Hey, dinner off for 30, nigga.
I ain't looking for no motherfucking love. I found no love, I found rap.
Love get you whack, bitch.
Ay, 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 ay. I got a whole lot of love, but it's too much. Niggas wanna get a pint, but it's too much. I feel like taking 230s and then I threw up. Niggas hating on me already like I blew up. When my plug call, I be geek doing backflips. Run through the low 5 days and I tax bitch. Hundreds, bustin' all out the mattress. Seemed like just a year ago I couldn't stack shit. Bitches looking good on the ground, really catfish. And she broke his hell, fucked up, but she ain't rich. Me and Nas put in hard work and we came up. But you still playing in your ass, put the game up. Throwback Poe with deuce up, it's time to work my ship. I can say my life changed when I learned to take a risk. I got niggas doing 10 plus, soft boy and bitch. It's for my niggas stand down, living in the way. Wake up.